Here is the answer to the question number 12. In this question, the important part is the given information. They are saying that the number 2x is less than y and less than 0. What does this mean? It means both the numbers, the x and the y, they are negative numbers. Both of them are less than 0, so they are negative numbers. Having this information, if I try to see which of the choice give me the greatest value, so if you look at choice B, the x and the y, both of them are negative numbers. When you add these two negative numbers, you are going to get a total which will also be a negative number, and that number, when multiplied by a negative sign which is outside, that will become a positive number. And because both of x and y, you are adding them, so this should be the greatest value of all these choices. All other choices, they have only x or y, but they don't have the two of them together. So that is, my answer is going to be B, but still I'm going to explain to you by using some numbers. So let us say, let us assume that 2x is a number which is negative 2, and let us say y is equal to negative 1. So you can see the y is greater than 2x because it is negative 1 and this is negative 2 on the number line. You can see the negative 1 is greater than negative 2. So this condition is satisfied when choosing these two numbers. Let us try each choice. When I go with choice A, and choice A is negative 2x, what does this mean? I'm going to have the negative sign, and the 2x, I have the value as negative 2. That means this value is going to be positive 2, because negative times negative gives me positive 2. So choice A gives me positive 2. Likewise, I'm going to try choice B, which is negative 2 parenthesis x plus y. So I'm going to distribute this negative 2, and I will get negative 2x minus 2y. And as we know, this is going to be negative, and then 2x we assumed as negative 2, and minus 2 times y we assumed as negative 1 here. So if we simplify this, this gives me negative times negative becomes positive 2, and then negative 2 times negative 1, it again gives me positive 2, and that gives me the value as 4. Likewise, I'm going to try the choice C. Choice C is 2x, which we have assumed as negative 2. Obviously, this is a negative number. D is obvious, which is 0, and the last choice, which is E, is negative y, and that will give me negative times the value of y we assumed as -1, so that gives me +1. Between all the 5 choices, we see that this is the only one which gives us 4, +4, which is greatest of all. So my final answer is going to be B. I hope you understand the steps